Welcome to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be diving into not one but two methods to make money online from just watching YouTube videos. If you've been searching for ways to boost your income, you're in the right place. These two methods are accessible, flexible, and have the potential to generate a steady stream of income. So, grab your notepad and get ready to learn about these fantastic opportunities. Let's jump right into it. In the first place, to make money from YouTube while watching YouTube videos, is go to YouTube. Well, that is obvious. Once there, then search for engaging topics, such as facts, mysteries, news, health-related topics. For instance, consider the search for weight loss tips. Once you've found the right topic, pick a video that has good content and grabs your attention. For example, I am going to open this video. After watching the video and deciding that you like its content, click on the share button. Then, copy the link. After that, go to a website called youtubetranscript.com. You can find the link in the video's description. Paste the link you copied earlier into the website and click on Go. Now copy this script and save it somewhere safe. For this purpose we can use Google Docs. Read this script carefully, and remove all unnecessary sentences such as, subscribe to the channel, or like this video, and then organize the article. Means it should look like an article instead of video script. After you have done that and only useful content remains, now we will change this whole article to avoid any copyright or legal issues. For that, go to phrase.io. Again, the link is in the description, then paste that copied article in this website. This tool will handle the remaining tasks. It is designed to rewrite the article, generating a new rendition using your own words. This process will alter the wording of the original article, ultimately providing you with a new article on the same subject as the source video. In this tool there is an option to change the extent of creativity while rewriting the article. Utilizing this tool can assist you in avoiding potential legal issues that may arise from simple copy and pasting. Once you have completed this process, the next and final step is to go to the vocal.media website. I've provided the link of this website in the description. This website offers a payment of $3.80 for every 1,000 reads for this article you have just created. If you manage to get 5,000 views, you can earn $19 from a single article. However, your earnings depend entirely on the quality of the article and how many reads you receive. If you earn $19 from one article and you post 3 high-quality articles daily, you can potentially earn $1,700 or more per month. Once again, it all depends on the amount of time you dedicate and the quality of your content. There is a subscription option on this website that is Vocal Plus. If you avail this option you will earn $6 for same 1,000 views. And double the income. Now what you have to do is, click on Create Story, agree to the community guidelines, and then click on Start Creating. Next, choose a suitable title for your article. As an example, I will use weight loss tips. After that, provide a subtitle that describes the content of the article in more detail. Additionally, consider uploading images related to your topic. For royalty-free content, you can visit pexels.com. Again, link is in the description. This website offers copyright-free videos and images for almost every topic. Select a suitable image for your article and download it. Then upload that image. Now copy your article and paste it here. It's a straightforward method, and you can begin right away. As I mentioned at the beginning, today we will discuss two methods, so we'll now explore the second exciting method, which is even easier than the first one. But before that, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. For second method, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the vidIQ extension. Install this extension for your Chrome browser. Next, navigate to YouTube and click on the blue button here. Then, select the most viewed option. This will open a window displaying the most viewed videos in the past 7 days. Now, let's choose a video. And avoid selecting videos for children. Here I am going to select a match video with 19.5 thousand views per hour. Here VPH stands for views per hour. Now copy the video link by right-clicking on the video or clicking on the share button. Then, visit YouTubeThumbnailGrabber.com to save the thumbnail. You can find the link to this website in the description. Paste the video URL here, click on Get Thumbnail Image, and download the video thumbnail. Alternatively, you can directly copy this thumbnail. Next, go to canva.com and create a poster. Paste the copied image and adjust its width and height according to the type of poster you want, leaving some margins from the top and bottom. Now, add a square-shaped box. Now drag and expand this box to cover the empty space at the top. Then send this box backward by right-clicking on it and hovering to Layer option and choosing Send Backward option. Copy this box, paste it, and drag it to the bottom to fill the bottom margin. Again send it backward. Then, fill it with a bright color, such as red. Next, add text box to your poster. You can also include a heading. Adjust the text box size and place it at the top margin. Now, write an attractive heading for the video that will capture the audience's attention. After adjusting the size, change the color. Like here, yellow. Once again, add a text box or copy and paste the top text box for the bottom margin. And place it in the bottom square box. Write some text, such as click on the image to watch the video. Again adjust size of the text and change the color according to your need. You can also include a play button on the poster to indicate that it's a video. Now, save this thumbnail by clicking on File and then selecting Download. Once again, click on Download button here. The next step is to visit shrinkme.io and shorten the video link. Okay, first, let's take a look at the payout rates. This website offers up to $22 per 1,000 views, but each country has different payout rates. For example, in the USA, it's $8 per 1,000 views. So, next, what you're going to do is go to your account and paste the video link here. Then, write the video's main heading here. This will be added to the link. Click on Shorten. Like here you can see, it's added in the link. Now copy this link. Another website you can use to shorten video links is linkvertise.com. This website pays up to $70 per 1,000 views, although the average earnings will likely be less than that. The minimum payout is $10, and you can choose various payout methods, including PayPal. On this website, you can shorten video link by clicking on Create Link, then paste the URL here. Click on the Next button. Add a short link title. Then click OK. Next, add a title for the general link. Click OK again. Provide a description. You can copy it from video description. Add some FAQs and that's it. Now save this by clicking here. Now copy this short link and go to any social media website where you have an audience related to your video, or go to Pinterest and create a pin. Now write an attractive and captivating headline for your pin, such as Watch Match Highlights or something similar. Then, write a brief description for your pin. You can copy it from the video title or description. Next, add the shortened link here. Now, upload the thumbnail that we created on Canva and click Save. If you encounter an error, you can resolve it by visiting a URL shortening website that will modify the link. Simply paste your link here and click Shorten URL. Now, copy this shortened link and try pasting and saving it again. These methods will not make you a millionaire, but they are definitely very easy sources of side income. I hope you found these tips and strategies valuable and insightful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us.